The list all contact categories link is going to present a page that lists all of our contact categories. If you have a lot of contacts within your organization that needed to be categorized and you've created a bunch of contact categories, this is going to present a page when they click on this link that has all of those categories there. So we need to give our link a title here in the menu title. We can leave the alias blank or create one. Give ourselves a note. Set the status of it. Is it unpublished or published? Who has access to can see this link? The menu location. Does it have a parent item? And once you have those set, you can hit save, and then it'll bring you back, and then you'll be able to order the item within the menu and what order it is. We need to set our target window. Where are we sending the user to a new window with navigation or without, or just leaving them in the parent window? We're going to ignore default page. Go ahead and read that tooltip. We'll ignore language and template for right now. The template style, you can actually change the look and feel of the landing page entirely and give them a new template. If you do that, you need to make sure that your navigation is in place for the new template that you send them to. The required settings are select the top level category. So we're going to look at our contact categories and which one is the top level we're going to send them to. And then the category options. We've got top level category description. This shows the description of the top level category, or optionally override with the text from the description field found in the menu item, which is right here. So we can, if our top level category had a description, it'll show that, or we can override it by putting something else here. Subcategory levels, are we going to the number of subcategory levels to display? Empty categories, do we want to show them or not? Subcategory descriptions, if we gave subcategories descriptions, we can choose to show or hide those descriptions. And the number of contacts in a category, we can choose to show or hide. Specific category options, these options are also used when you click on one of the category links on the first page or thereafter, meaning subcategory links as well, unless they are changed here for a specific menu item. So is it going to show the category title, the description, the image, the subcategory levels, how many? Are we going to show empty categories when we click into those as well? Subcategory descriptions, do we show or hide those? And again, the number of contacts in a category. Our list layouts are going to be, these options again are going to be used when you click on one of the category links on the first page or thereafter, once you're drilling down a little bit, unless they are changed here for a specific menu item. So are you going to show the table heading, the position, their email, phone, mobile? Again, go ahead and feel free to make changes on here. If you're creating a link like this, go ahead and create the link, hit save, open up another tab, go to your menu and click on that link and render the page and see what it looks like. And then you can come back here and make some of these changes and see what that looks like when you put that text in. How does that lay out on the page? Again, make some of these changes and see how it affects the layout, specifically the list layout, on how much of this information you're going to show on the page. After that, we've got mail options. We're going to show the form. Are we going to send a copy to the submitter? You've got banned email addresses that are not allowed to submit to the contact form. You've got banned subjects not allowed in the contact form. And you have banned text that's not allowed in the contact form body. We have a session check regarding cookies. This means that the users without cookies enabled will not be able to send emails. You have a custom reply. This is turns off the automated reply. This allows for plugins to handle integration with other systems and whatnot. May or may not affect your scenario. And you have a contact redirect, which is an alternative URL where the user will be redirected to after they send their email. You have specific integration options. You can show a feed link or not. And you've got link type options here for the link title attribute in the menu. Go ahead and put something in here. This is for the link title. Then we have link styling for the link CSS style, link image, or an add menu title as well. Page display options. This is going to be a dynamically generated page, so give it a custom title. If you choose to show the page heading, it's going to be an H1, so here's where you put in the page heading down here. And then you have individual styling for this page via CSS, and this is where you would put that as well. Metadata options are meta description. Make sure every page on your site has a custom meta description along with keywords as well. And then here's your robot text settings and your secure settings. And you may or may not see this Fusion menu and the split in the module assignment, so we'll pass those. Thanks.